Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening YouTube and signing in. This ensures changes apply to your account. Once signed in, make sure your app or browser is updated because older builds hide experimental controls. Next, tap your avatar, then navigate to Settings and select General or Privacy depending on your platform. You want to reach the Toggle or Experimental Features area. If you're on desktop, look under Appearance or Playback. Once there, we'll move to the specific Shorts-related controls. Now locate the Shorts toggle or the Experimental Features list. This can be labeled Shorts, Short-form videos, or Recommendations. You should turn off Shorts and disable Shorts autoplay or recommendations. This stops new short clips from appearing in your feed. On mobile, flip the toggle and then force close the app. On desktop, clear site data or reload the page to apply changes. If no direct toggle exists, opt out of experimental features or reduce short content by Finish by verifying changes. Go to Home and the Shorts tab to confirm fewer or no short clips appear. Restart your app or device to ensure settings persist, and reopen YouTube to double-check account-level preferences under Privacy. If shorts still show up, refine your watch history and recommendations by removing short views and pausing watch history. Make sure you cleared cache. If problems continue, report the issue through help and feedback, so YouTube can address a missing toggle or server-side setting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.